Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in outdoor gear. Today, we're excited to present the GEEK Lighting Men's Waterproof Hooded Rain Jacket. If you're looking for the best rain jacket to keep you dry while hiking, camping, or just running errands, you've come to the right place. Let's start by discussing what makes this jacket stand out. First and foremost, its waterproof capabilities are impressive. Crafted from high-density polyester fiber, it features fully sealed seams that effectively repel water. Whether you're caught in a light drizzle or a heavy downpour, this jacket has you covered. One of the most appealing aspects of the GEEK Lighting Rain Jacket is its lightweight design. Weighing in at just over 10 ounces, it's incredibly easy to pack and carry. The breathable fabric ensures that you stay comfortable, even during vigorous activities. Plus, the double-layer construction, with a soft mesh interior, helps wick away moisture from your body, so you won't feel clammy. Another fantastic feature is the multifunctional adjustments. The elastic cuffs and adjustable drawstring hood provide a snug fit, which helps block out rain and wind. And let's not forget the wide brim, which offers extra protection for your face and can be conveniently folded away when not needed. When it comes to practicality, this jacket doesn't disappoint. It includes zippered pockets on both sides, perfect for securely storing your essentials. Think keys, phones, or even energy bars for your outdoor adventures. Moreover, the reflective strips on the chest enhance your visibility during nighttime activities, making it a smart choice for those evening jogs or hikes. So, when should you wear this jacket? Its versatility makes it suitable for a variety of occasions. Whether you're heading out for a run, embarking on a hiking trip, or simply taking a stroll in the park, this jacket is the ideal companion. It seamlessly combines functionality and comfort, ensuring you look good while staying protected. In conclusion, the GEEK Lighting Men's Waterproof Hooded Rain Jacket is truly a top contender for the title of Best Rain Jacket for Men. Its excellent waterproof performance, lightweight design, practical features, and safety enhancements make it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor experience and stay dry in style, this jacket is definitely worth considering. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the best gear for your adventures. Stay dry out there. See you next time.